If you're a business owner, if you're selling high ticket, or you're selling something, your intro alone can generate you 5 new high ticket clients this month, and it's not some crazy editing trick. Let me explain. I'm gonna show you the proven 4-step lead generating intro framework that converts viewers into sales calls, and most business owners completely ignore this one small adjustment that is costing them hundreds of leads. And it's the same framework that has kept retention rates super high on my videos, even till the end, and these people who make at the end of my videos are the ones who end up booking calls with me. And I literally have zero editing in my videos apart from adding a bit of music. So if you're not using this strategy, you're simply leaving money on the table every single day. You're losing on a bunch of potential dream clients, and it's just making you question if content is even a viable strategy for your business. Now, the real reason why your videos ain't converting are likely because your intros have unclear messaging, they're scattered, they're overly complex, and it doesn't confirm the title or thumbnail. You're likely even starting your videos like, hey, my name is XYZ, I do this and that, I do this and that. Now, and that simply doesn't work because they don't solve the core issue your audience is having, and it just makes them click off your video. And this leads to having negative feedback loop. Okay, your person watches your video, your intro is bad, it doesn't confirm what the video is about, it doesn't feel like it's gonna fix their pain. It gives you negative feedback, and they just click off your video and most likely watch your competitor's video and never click on your video ever again. And personally, I wouldn't give my competitors any of my potential clients or my money, and you probably wouldn't either. I'd rather keep them for myself. So this is why we focus on SSPP intro framework, which is short for Sucker, Promise, Prove, and Plan. And it goes a little bit deeper than this, so let me break it down for you. So first we need to start with a powerful hook, and we do this to just grab attention and make them to watch till the end of this video. So we can grab the attention with using statements, questions, or statistics. And these need to create curiosity or address pain points immediately, so they feel like there's something in this video that is going to fix my pain or is interesting enough that I need to watch this video. So good example would be, I'm about to show you how to 10x your YouTube leads in the next 10 minutes. Or in my video, this video, I used, if you're a business owner, if you're selling high ticket, if you're selling something, your intro can book you 5 new sales calls this month, or whatever it was. But it's interesting enough where it just makes you watch the video till the end, you know? Now, after they've been hooked in, you want to make a clear, compelling promise. Clearly state what value a viewer will get after watching this video. And to do this, we use something called the YIIFM format. So what I mean by this is, put yourself in your ideal client's shoes and ask yourself, what's in it for me, to address viewers' needs and interest? Because clear promise gives our ICP confidence to watch the video till the end. Because at the end of the day, your viewers have some kind of pain and they click on your video for a reason to get rid of that pain and move closer to their desired state. So good example for this would be, I'm gonna show you exactly how to create interest that keep people engaged for the entire video. Okay, they are struggling with keeping people engaged on the video and they wanna keep people engaged on the video. So just saying, okay, this will be the tutorial how to exactly keep people engaged on a video, and it gets rid of that pain state and moves closer to their desired state. Now, after that, they probably won't believe you can do this, so you want to show some kind of proof or competency to establish yourself as an authority figure. Because nobody literally believes in you until proven otherwise, so you need to use social proof and preferably use desired result that they want to break that distrust. So, for example, you could use, I used the system to book 5 new sales calls this month, and I also done XYZ. And preferably here, you want to use screenshot to show exactly that you have gotten this result yourself, because most people are visual learners or believe visual proof rather than just spoken words. Now, you may be asking, what if I don't have any results? Well, you can simply borrow authority from someone else. So, this is a good example by Alex Ramosi. 13 years of brutally honest business advice in 90 minutes. He's condensing 13 years of business advice into 90 minutes. So in your videos you could simply use something like, well, I spent 3,000 hours studying content, here's exactly what I learned. Because people like you condensing hours and hours of information into shorter period of time, making you look like an expert, even if you are a beginner and you don't have that many results already. It just shows you're confident in what you're doing or teaching, and it simply just makes you more trustworthy. Now, the next part, in my opinion, is the second most important pillar when it comes to converting intros, and that is having a plan. You need to give them some kind of preview on what you'll get. So, give them some kind of list, framework or step on what you will cover in this video, and usually try to use numbers to make it as easily followable as possible. So, good example would be, I'm gonna break down the 3 key components of this system. Number 1, offer creation, 2, marketing, and 3, closing and fulfillment. And most businesses completely neglect this step, and it's costing them thousands of leads because their audience just doesn't know what you're getting after this video. And the same as before applies here. Clear and concise videos will simply do better because the viewers know what they'll be getting. They clicked on your video for a reason, and you're showing them that this video will be the solution for their problem. Now, this last one is kind of a bonus pillar. It's not 100% necessary to include in your videos, but it will 100% help in converting them from cold viewer to nurture potential lead, and that is having some kind of urgency or importance in your videos. You need to explain them why they need to watch right now, so you need to hint at the cost of not taking action on your advice. So, good example would be, this is actually what I used in this video. If you're not using the strategy, you're simply leaving money on the table every single day. Because people do not do anything if there's no need to do anything. They like to bit of procrastinate on it. Well, maybe I'll do it later. You need to show them that this is costing them hundreds and hundreds of leads, and your business may even fall because of it. And you need to understand that there's literally no motive to act if you do not show them. And pain doesn't even immediately cause conversion, but it happens over time. So more and more videos you do with having that pain in it, it's gonna increase their pain threshold, and it's gonna move them closer to making that conversion. And last pro tip, keep your intros aligned with your thumbnail and title, so everything is cohesive and understandable as possible, because they click on your video for a reason, and you gave them what they actually wanted. And this gives you positive feedback loop. They watch your video, you had a good intro, it confirmed what the video is about, and you delivered upon that promise. And that leads to them binge watching every other one of your videos. And this is just good feedback loop. They keep watching more and more of your videos, increasing that trust and increasing that pain that you build up in your intros with that urgency and importance. And over the line, they're gonna become one of your customers or leads or something, you know. But anyway, quick recap. Good intro has good hook, clear promise, proof of competency, and preview of content with some urgency included there. But anyway, if you're a business owner who wants a no BS path to booking more calls and scale your business with simple YouTube videos, I have a link in the description where I'll personally help you achieve that goal, getting more clients with simple YouTube videos. But anyways guys, that is for today. It was a quick video, but have a good day and peace out.